Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own. If you just got one or if you are turning it on after a shutdown, this guide will help you out. So let's get started. First, look at the top corner of your keyboard and you'll see a small round button. That's the Touch ID and the power button. It will be right here on the top of your keyboard. I will simply shut down my laptop for now like this. As soon as you press it, the Apple logo should appear on your screen. That means your Mac is waking up. Now if you have already set up your Mac before, it will take you straight to the login screen. You can unlock it using your password or just rest your fingers on the Touch ID sensor for quick access. If your MacBook is completely brand new, instead of login screen you will see the setup assistant. Here you will find your language, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Apple ID so everything syncs smoothly. And that's it guys, you have successfully started your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.